The market is tricky. There's a lot of uncertainty in the world, and hence investors are uncertain. We've got the rise of the Far East, we've got capital markets and financial markets that move around so quickly nowadays. Your investing style has to change. Multi-asset investing is really taking a classic investment approach to the next level. So it's talking about global equities, it's talking about global bonds, it's also talking about cash, but it's talking about other things as well and looking at investing in other areas such as commodities, such as property, such as alternative investments like hedge funds, and actually reflecting really the world that we live in today, which is much more complex than perhaps a generation ago. When we look at the world today, we see too much debt in the West, we see the rise of the East, i.e. we see all those old certainties being ripped up and basically are changing. So unfortunately, you have to consider alternative solutions. Now that means looking globally as an equity investor, that means considering global opportunities as a bond investor, but other themes as well, things like gold, things like property, things like infrastructure, which actually may allow you to make money and make returns in perhaps ways that more conventional investments don't. We at Close Brothers Asset Management actually try and use all these tools when we blend them together for our client portfolios.
Multi-asset investing is very important to us and to our clients. The ability for a fund manager to invest into a wide range and diverse asset class base involving equities, bonds, currencies, etc. all really is crucial to what we would consider a modern day fit-for-purpose investment strategy. The close team are people for us who share collective and similar values. They share our ideals and expectations on best practice. They share our vision on how investment management should work for clients who demand performance and security as paramount factors.
When I look at the world today, there's no doubt the biggest theme is the rise of the East. So naturally that takes you towards Asia. But that doesn't mean that you're exclusively investing in Asian companies or the Asian stock markets, because many of the best companies in the West have worked out that the best way to expand their business and increase their profitability is to take a look at trying to sell more to the Asian consumer. So consequently, you've got companies in the UK market who are doing that. Investors should talk to their intermediary or talk to the underlying fund manager and see if they trust them. Because if you can't apply the white of the eyes tests, then in my opinion, you can never have full confidence over the investment you're making. Just like when I look at companies or speak with management teams, that's what gives me confidence to invest.